Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to add a GIF into Capcut on PC. So let's get into it. First of all, let's download a GIF file that we need to use in Capcut. Search for a GIF file using any browser that you use for search. Once you get the results, then from the top bar, open the Images page. Here you will get hundreds of free GIF files related to your search. Select any GIF to open it. Once it opens up and starts the animation, right-click on it, and then click on Save Image As. Select the destination in your PC and click on Save. In this way, you can explore and download more GIF files to use in Capcut PC. Now let's go back to the home screen and open Capcut Video Editor. As you can see, I have already opened Capcut on my PC screen. Click on Create Project to proceed. Here we are in the Capcut Video Editor. Let's go to the Media section to import GIF files. Select Downloaded Files from your computer and click Open to bring them into Capcut. Now drag them onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can make changes, apply effects, remove background to use in your video, or adjust the duration of their animation. Once you are all done, let's have a preview. So this is how you can add GIF into Capcut PC.
If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.